Welcome back guys, CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to show you the updates for LTO. We get a great news for this token. Great news. Let's dive in. All right guys, one more time. Any single token can be delisted at any single moment. So Binance made an announcement. So LTO, BSW, Komodo, Alpha will be delisted in next 2 weeks, I guess, or 1 week. So we get any issue with the LTO? Basically not. It was the LTO network is a hybrid blockchain automated process with GDPR and data privacy compliance combining blah blah blah. Looks like something special, right? some tag layer 1, like a project, like a great one. A low cap token, 9 million, 87% tokens unlocked. Everything looks so great. What's the problem? What's the problem with this token? So they not delist the meme coins, right? But they which pump and dump like ACT, for example. But they delist just this super tech project. This is one more example, guys. Fundamental absolutely doesn't matter. Absolutely. In the next few years, any single token which now in top 200, top 1000 can be just delisted from any exchange, and the Binance especially. So just what's the solution? Don't be trapped with all of these fancy stories about fundamentals, about research, about all of this stuff. So we can work only with proper money and risk management. So what we can do now, we can't know are this token will repeat the story of that one, Alpaca, because Alpaca pumped at 3,000% gains before the listing. We can't know the LTO will repeat the story of Reef before the delisting. So I'll recommend you here, if you don't remember, Alpaca Finance, Alpaca USD. So this was on the max here. This is a weekly time frame. And I remind you, this is what happened at before the delisting. So here, around here, there was an announcement about delisting, and this token pumped from, I don't remember, from 4 cents to $1.27 on the max. On the Binance, it was like $1.45, I guess. And after that, we landed back. Same story was with the Reef USDT, Reef Finance. I guess here, this one. So absolutely same story. Let's check on the weekly time frame. Nah, this was the listing later. Here, this was an announcement about delisting, right? Pump, drop, delisting. So guys, be careful now with LTO, be careful with any other tokens. So if we zoom out and double check what's happened and where are we now, technically we landed back to the you remember these 2 FIBs. First FIB, what I drew, it was from body candle close, by body candle close. So here it's 27 zone. So we can drop even now to 27 level by this FIB by body candles. If we talk about a weeks and count from the top to the bottom here to support, we can drop to add one more 0 and drop to 27 block again, and even sweep. We already sweep it the COVID dump low. So that's the point, guys. And will we drop again lower now or later? It's hard to say. I think yes, we will drop later, right? But gamble now with this token. You know, here's a announcement. Here's how the candle looks like. You know, they pump before. So here, drop, pump, up again, drop. So this is how the drop looks like. Bump like 39%. After that, bounce and drop again. So now it's hard to say, guys, are we drop lower or higher? Because be careful if it will be the speculation and manipulation, and they will push the price higher. You know, don't open short. Don't open short until the day of the listing. Exactly at the second. At the minute when they delist the token and close automatically all positions on the futures or on the spot, you can open the short position on the on Gate.io, I guess. Here. and this one on KuCoin, on Fimex, on the Gate. So this is what I did with Alpaca. So I waited. They put the price so high, and exactly at that second when they delist the Alpaca, I opened it just maybe a few minutes before. I opened the short position on the max on Alpaca, and we dumped like crazy. So it's not like advice, or a trading strategy or trading tip. But it's happening. It's happening with the Reef. It's happening with Alpaca. But wait, because I also recently made some mistake when some token, I don't remember which one, pumped it higher, and I opened short every single time trying to catch at the top. And I had stop loss, and I'm stop it, right? So trade. But with Alpaca, it works perfectly well. So they can put the price, for example, from this one. They can put the price, I don't know, to 31 cents even. 1,500% gains. It's possible. But guys, be careful, because not all of tokens will pump like Alpaca. So it's a video more about, warning about risk of gambling, right? And risk of investments. Also, don't need to talk about because for Alpaca, I remember that type of comments, the people who stuck it here, they trying to shield you like, buy the deep. Now it's a great time, it's a discount. LTO still available on other exchanges. We will bounce back so hard, diamond hand and all of this stuff. The same story with Alpaca, with the Reef, with only Monero pump it after the listing. So just be careful, guys. Lena. So Lena, I trying to short, and I trying to after that the open long, and we crash it down immediately. The BBL is the same story, delisted from HTX. So guys, be careful. So possible case scenario, yes, we can bounce even to 13 cents, 1, 2, 3, drop. Possible to see. So reversible again, and delisting. But yes, local pump before delisting we can see. What I would like to show you is take profit indicator. So here, even the indicators, guys, can't predict the drop. We can't predict. No one indicator will show you the announcement from the Binance, and we get a validation and invalidation of idea. So it was here, test of the buy line, bounce, test the buy line, bounce, test, bounce, drop, fundamental value. We get a reaction at fundamental value and the sweep of historical COVID dump low, all-time low. Now, the target can be bullish one. It's 4 cents 91, exit line 5 cents 57. But be careful, guys, because we can't know, are they put the price higher before the listing or lower, and after that bounce and drop and the listing date. So I'm trying to not trade, to not gamble with this type of tokens because it's kind of risky. We can't know what will happen in the next 2 days. But what I know, sure, exactly at the time when they will be countdown of the listing, you can try open short position on other exchange. So it's a smart idea with a stop loss, of course. So guys, now I take a look. I don't have any great bullish targets because here drop, bounce, almost still take profit in a 1 hour time frame. So I don't have any bullish targets, any bearish targets for now. Bearish, of course, we're going down to 0 and probably never recover back. But be careful. Be careful with the gambling if you want to catch some bottom now and catch some right. Possible targets, it's take profit and test of 0 level, 13 cents 68. Take profit line, even possible at 31. When we build this sweep, everybody start talking about, because people will forget about the announcement, people will start talking about we going to the moon because of, and some random reasons. And after that, on the listing price, because the people not track and not monitoring the all announcement from the Binance. And after 2 weeks, the people forgot about it and blindly will buy the token and react again when we will drop. So guys, be careful. Be careful. This video not about where to buy, where to sell. It's more like warning. I hope you like this video. If you want to trade with my customer, what I showed on this video, just write me DM. Don't forget your Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.